Good morning, students. At last topic, we are seeing double DS, and I repeat, this is a more secure way to encrypt your data and information by using double key length in number of bits. Next topic is double DS with continue man in the middle attack. It's via learn few equations of given a pair of P and C. Here K is the ith key of the key space. Condition is 0 less than is equal to I less than is equal to 2 that's 56 minus 1. Here we compute Mi and Nj. You already seen the equation for encryption and decryption, but remember one thing, here we have the huge amount of key. So this is a follow the vulnerability assessment and successfully secure your system. Now we are check whether Mi is equal to Nj. If K is equal to under bracket Ki and Kj is very likely to be the secret key. K for key. Here we see in diagram meeting the middle attack for double DES. We seen encryption and decryption same as a 64-bit plain text. We get 64-bit as a ciphertext. Now DS cipher in which the middle process M 64-bit middle text converted by using DS algorithm and keys. Same as meeting the middle attack, the find equal M's and record corresponding K1 and K2. Now we are starting the triple DES. The first three, that means triple DES, was developed in 1999 by IBM by a team led by Walter Tuchman. It's prevent a meet in the middle attack and has 168-bit key. Remember, in triple DES can use 168-bit key and enciphers a block of 64 bits. It also effectively has 112-bit security. Triple DES is used two key. Here we also apply three key. In short, we are cover DS standards, double DS standard, and now a triple. Here one more observation is we are use 168-bit key for enciphers a block. That's all about triple DS, the basics. Figure we are shown the same as double DES. Here 3 key encryption and 2 key encryption applied. Use 3 different key for encryption and decryption. You are already seen the equation. Keying options is the most important. The standard specific 3 keying option. The first is all 3 keys are independent. Second, K1 and K2 are independent and K3 is equal to K1. key 3 is equal to key 1. Now all three keys are identical. For example, K1 is equal to K2 is equal to K3. Key space is 56 multiplied by 3 in double DS multiplied by 2. So key space is 168 bits. It's also no known practical attack against it. It's harder to compare other DS standards. It's a more secure system. So this word is important, and also memorize no known practical attack against it till date. Now first question is if we use three completely different keys, then what happened? You have to remember these two equations for encryption and decryption. But will the effective strength be that of 56 multiplied by 3 is equal to 168 bits? It's provide a less security than option 1 with 112 key bits. However, this option is stronger than double DS because it protects against meet in the middle attack. King option 3 is equivalent to DS with only 56 key bits. Triple DS, here we can see same as a double DS, but difference is key size. Equations are plain text, ciphertext, both are 64-bit, key K1, K2, key for 112 bits. Encryption and decryption algorithm same as above topic, but advantage must remember key size is larger, compatible with regular 1 key DS, and then remember the equation K1 is equal to K2 is equal to K. The value of key size is 56 bit. Now comparison the multiple encryption double DS versus triple DS. It's also seen here in key value, encryption and decryption standard, and we can get a desired output. The flow of entire sequence in triple encryptions. Here must remember the key size 56, 112 and 168. It's a large number of keys value available in multiple encryption standards. Triple DS with 2 key, here we get sender and receiver. The comparison is encryption plain text with the first key, same for receiver, and decrypt ciphertext with the first key. In second, decrypt output with the second key, same from receiver end, encrypt output with the second key, and in first, encrypts output with the first key, and from receiver end, decrypt output with the first key. Same as some kind of conversion with plain text to ciphertext by using various encryption standards. It's either a DS, double DS or triple DS. Here we see triple DS with 3 keys. Most probably it's use encrypt original plain text with first key from receiver and decrypt ciphertext with the third key. Same second and third, we are seen in difference in third session. Encrypt output of second step with third key give the ciphertext to be sent. Decrypt output of second step with the first key gives the original plaintext. Now this unit is complete. Thank you.